Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Yaris IA. The Toyota Yaris IA performs, handles, is safer, more fuel efficient, and better equipped than almost any other vehicle within its class. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, power mirrors, stability control, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, speed proportional power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.